U.S. President Donald Trump has announced a sweeping executive order aimed at slashing U.S. prescription drug prices by up to 59%. In a post on his social media platform, Trump claimed that the policy would bring immediate relief. At the center of the plan is a most favored nation policy, tying U.S. drug prices to the lowest prices paid globally for the same medication. Trump argues that the U.S. has been overpaying sometimes 5 to 10 times more for drugs manufactured by the same companies abroad. The order is rather expected to impact a $670 billion pharmaceutical market, where nearly 79% of sales are for patented drugs and not generics. Well, experts warn that while the policy may offer short-term relief to American patients, it is likely to spark a global price recalibration. Pharmaceutical firms could push for higher prices in countries like India, where low-cost generics are widely manufactured. India now meets 20% of global drug demand, supplying 40% of the U.S. generic market and 25% of the U.K. market. The country has also surpassed the U.S. in FDA-approved manufacturing sites. India's generic industry supplies affordable medicines to the world, but is often targeted by Western pharma for weak intellectual property protections. Well, this executive order could intensify pressure on India to accept TRIPS Plus trade provisions, measures that would strengthen patent protections and potentially restrict access to low-cost drugs. The announcement triggered a sharp sell-off in pharmaceutical stocks across the U.S. and India, with investors fearing profit margin pressure. Industry insiders argue that in generics, the real issue lies within the supply chain, where up to $8 of every $10 sale is absorbed by distributors. They suggest targeting this system could yield greater savings than global price alignment. Still, the broader concern is that developed countries may now push global trade deals to shift pricing burdens abroad, challenging India's ability to maintain its affordable drug regime.